Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and today I will be unboxing this device. So this is a Lexar multi-card reader, so 25 in 1. So as you can see here, it reads 25 memory cards formats and transfer files at USB 3.0 speed. So it can also enable card-to-card file transfer. For example, you have a SD card here and another card here, then it will transfer the file from the other device. So that's really nice. Okay, I'll show you more information about the box. So what is inside the box? So it's a multi-card reader 3.0, nothing else. Probably there's a cable inside. Then the back, some different languages. So it has a 1-year warranty. Then you can see here, so maybe the from camera, SD card, everything. Okay. Then to your computer. Then one thing, the reason basically I purchased this one is I want to read this card. So this is a compact flash. So normally SD card I can just read it to your laptop, because normally some laptops have a SD card reader, but for compact flash you don't have it. So I purchased this one. Anyway, I open this now so you can see what's inside. Okay, open here. Okay, so there is a the device, so the card reader, and there's a USB cable. So the cable is USB 3.0, as you can see in the end here, and other end here. Okay, then here is the card reader. Okay, so still with the plastic. Let me take out the plastic. Then how to open this thing. So this is the input. Probably just press this one. Okay, here probably press the button. Yeah, okay, then it opens. Okay, so there's a locking here on both sides, then press, then it opens. Okay, so you can see here the SD card, and the compact flash and memory card here, M2, then MS Duo. Okay, so I'll try the compact flash card because that's the main purpose. Just cut this one. Oh, just open here. Yeah, always first time open. Now and take out the card. So this is an industrial type, just a 512 MB, so industrial grade. Okay, so this, so the insert the card like this, then it's here. Then I can just connect the cable USB 3.0 to your computer, then you can format or read anything from the card. Okay, so just take it out. So that's it. So very easy. So this is a Lexar card reader. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.